Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the assistant and granting permissions so it can access calls and contacts. First, update your Oneplus to the latest OS version. This ensures the feature is present and stable. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, find AI Call Assistant, and toggle on microphone, phone, and contacts access. Make sure you're signed into your Oneplus account and on a reliable Wi-Fi or 5G connection, so the assistant can download language models and sync preferences. Now configure how the assistant handles calls so behavior matches your needs. Open the AI Call Assistant settings and choose Auto Answer, Real-Time Transcription, and Primary Language. Pick local processing if you prefer on device privacy or cloud sync for better accuracy. Next, set transcription display, save transcripts, and enable smart replies if desired. After configuring, place a short test call to confirm audio levels, caption accuracy, and that saved transcripts appear where you expect, making small adjustments as needed. Begin using the assistant during real calls and review transcripts to teach it context and speaker patterns. You'll get better results over a few uses. Make sure to refine the voice model in settings and turn off continuous listening or auto answer to save battery when not needed. If something goes wrong, like no transcription or poor audio, restart the phone, verify microphone and call permissions, check network connectivity, and reinstall any pending Oneplus updates. If issues persist, toggle local versus cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.